you to do is expand. And like we saw with this problem right here, you take this number right here and you apply it, you distribute it across every single term in the bracket. So I'm just drawing my two arrows to see what the steps are. So the first step is you take negative 4 and you multiply it by m. And that equals to negative 4m. Next step, you take, you take negative 4 and you multiply by the second term, which is 3. Negative 4 times 3 is just negative 12. So that's, so let me just write that a little neater. So now if you wanted to solve what m is equal to, I'll just write it here. I'm just rewriting this right here a little bigger for you guys to see. We can move the 12 or we can move the negative 4 to the other side. It doesn't matter. I'll choose to move the negative 4m. So negative 12 equals 4m. Like we did with the previous question, when you move a negative term to the other side, or if you move a positive term to the other side, the number in front becomes the opposite. Since this is a negative number, now it becomes a positive number when I switch it to the other side of the equal sign. Next step, we want to solve for what m is equal to, and to do that we have to isolate m, meaning that we divide both sides by 4.
But Stefan,
what's up?
explain to them why it becomes positive, because
You don't understand that step?
explain to them how it becomes positive. Because you're adding a positive here and you're adding a positive here.
What do you mean adding positive?
When you move it over to the other side.
Like, you gotta show every single thing. So,
Oh, you want to do the
yeah, do
4 plus 4?
plus 4 so they get that.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'll go back to that step.
Now we know Rockwell guys are going to be passing the SAT on the point.
Okay, so the reason why the 4m becomes positive on this side is we're trying to get rid of the negative 4m on this side first. And to do that, we have to add 4m on both sides. So again, the reason, what we want to do is we want to put this negative 4m onto that side. In order to do that, we have to get rid of the negative 4m on this side. And in order to do that, we have to take 4m minus 4m. We're adding 4m to both sides. Because 4m minus 4m is equal to 0, so that means we've gotten rid of the negative 4m. And now we're left with the positive 4m. So you guys get that step?
You guys got it now?
Makes more sense now why it's positive on this side? Okay. Since these two cancel each other out, because 4m minus 4m is just equal to 0, we're left with negative 12 equals
Guys, pay attention, pay attention.
m. And to solve for m, we have to get rid of the 4 in front of it. And to do that, we have to divide both sides by 4. And now we're left with m is equal to negative 3. And that's the final answer.
Give it up for Coach Stefan, guys. Good job, Steph.